In example 2, we are going to write equations in slope-intercept form. The directions say write the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 8 in slope-intercept form. Then identify the slope and the y-intercept. You've already learned how to do this. The directions are just slightly different than what you're used to. If you think back to standard 3.3, you had a problem like this where you had to solve for y. Well, putting something in slope-intercept form, which slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, all you're doing is solving for y. So let's do that. Let's solve this for y. So if I solve for y, the first thing I would have to do is subtract 3x from both sides. That gives me 4y equal to 8 minus 3x. Then I need to divide everything by 4. And I get y equals 2 minus 3 over 4 times x. So that's slope-intercept form. Then what we have to do is we have to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Now remember, you can add this in any order. So whether we have the mx first or the b first doesn't really matter. You just have to know that the slope is the number always being multiplied by x or attached to the x. And the b is always the number that's being added or subtracted. So if we take a look at this problem right here, my slope, since x is second here instead of first, that's okay. I just need to know that my number or my slope is going to be negative 3 over 4. So I can say that the slope is negative 3 over 4. And then my y-intercept, which is the b value, is whatever's being added to that, and that's going to be my 2. And if I look at the sign in front, it's a positive. So then I can say that this is positive 2. Now I want you to go ahead and do the try this. So you're doing the same thing. You're going to write it in slope-intercept form, and then identify the slope and the y-intercept. So pause it now and check it when you're ready. If you did the try this correctly, I'm going to go through the steps real quick for you. You should have subtracted 2x from both sides first, giving you negative 6y equal to 18 minus 2x. Then you should have divided everything by negative 6. So you should have gotten y equals negative 3 plus 1/3 times x. This would give you a slope, which is m, of 1/3, and a y-intercept, which is b, negative 3. If you have questions, please let me know.